actually seeing that next week we're going to have a buy signal. So basically within the next 2 days and 13 hours, we're going to have a buy signal on the weekly chart, which is massive, right? I mean, the last time we had a sell signal by the TD sequential indicator on the weekly chart, we actually came all the way down to, to like 50 cents, right? But now we continue to hold around the 61 support level or support zone, right? Which kind of like also coincides with the 50 weekly moving average, right? So I'm guessing that the buy signal will come. We could potentially have a week down, right? So basically, let's say this is the candlestick that is going to form around these levels, right? We could potentially have like a low wick to 50 cents, basically, right? But then, kind of like, let's say like the next candlestick, the next weekly candlestick could be like a potential doji right here, where we actually rebound to the middle Bollinger Band around 88 cents. I believe that's what's coming for the next week on XRP, sorry. Basically a rebound of the 50-week moving average, which currently sits at currently sits at 55 cents. I believe we could go all the way down to 50 cents and the buy signal will not be invalidated. And then from there, basically rebound to 88 cents or so. Again, I still believe that the golden pattern behind XRP is basically these kind of like head and shoulders that forming here, right? And we still have a little bit of potential to continue rising. But if we completely lose the 50-week moving average of support, right, then of course the next lower price point comes in at 44 cents, and breaking below 44 cents, I believe that we're definitely gonna go at the 30 cents level. But for right now, based on this upcoming buy signal that is coming next week, I'm leaning a little bit bullish on XRP for the next couple of weeks. I mean, this is not intraday. This is not like from today to tomorrow, right? This is for the next few weeks. So yeah, that's my take on XRP. I don't know if you, Sheldon, you're looking at something different than this.
Pretty close to the same. Really, let me just bring up my screen here. I mean, I haven't been positive on XRP and really, I don't remember the last time. But one of the things here that's playing out and which is that I think it's dead money really below 76 cents, 77 cents. I see this move yesterday and then again today really is widening the trading range that was initially between 74 cents and 65 cents. Now maybe we'll move down and use 55 cents as a lower level of a range. Clearly, if things get weak within the context of the market, we certainly could test the low, which was I think around 51 cents as a plausibility. But otherwise, I think we're in a trading range. If you're a trader, we get any more weakness close to 55 cents, which is a 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the advance from the December low. Use that as a buying level. And you trade accordingly, either into 65 cents or try and hold for the 74 cents area. Otherwise, it's for me, if you're a long-term investor, it remains dead money, and we're going to be getting a death cross trigger here within the next few days also.
Yeah, I hadn't seen that death cross right there. Very, but let's see what actually happens.
For me, it's just dead money. Unless you're a short-term trader.
Indeed, yeah. Like I do believe that a rebound is coming up, but again, losing 50 cents of support, like it's goodbye. We're going to 30 cents. But if it keeps that level of support right there, between 55 cents and 50, I think it has a good potential to at least rebound to that death cross that you're seeing right there. Because that death cross, if you go to the daily chart, Sheldon,
sure.
The 50-day moving average is trading at what exactly?
80 cents. 80
At
cents.
80 cents. Okay, yeah, because I was looking at a potential rebound to 88. But yeah, I mean, you know, assets tend to like touch the death cross and the golden cross. I mean, at least on base of what I have analyzed, and a potential rebound there before lower lows could do it. But look at the volume. The volume looks horrible. You know, it's dead.
It's
Literally.
non-existent, except for that spike down and towards the end of June on the 21st, 22nd. Really, has been nothing since the 24th of May.
Yeah, it's crazy. But Akash, are you looking at something different on this?
Pretty much the same as Shelton and you. Again, like same structure for a lot of these altcoins as Bitcoin. I expected a drop down to this support zone, and we kind of wicked down here. So we might go down to 0.5814 and even sweep the lows here. Right, this seems like a good place to reverse. Let me just remove this for now. Right, this seems like a good place to reverse, come down here and pierce this demand zone that we have here. Right, seems like a really good spot to go long for me.
And
Right,
where would you place your stop loss if you were to go long in there?
Right, so generally I would, if I were to put up a very carefree trade, then probably somewhere over here. Right, and if I'm being really stingy and I'm unsure, if it is bullish, it shouldn't go below below the 50% of this candle, right? So I'm giving this here for now.
Okay.
But if I'm stingy, then I would probably go down on the 15-minute time frame and then see what's happening here, and then maybe the stop loss would be a little more tighter. That way, I wouldn't lose much.
Yeah, definitely. But okay, so you're basically you're leaning on a potential rebound as well. But I mean, what you're seeing is basically the 56 cents to 54 per se, right?
Yeah.
Support barrier. Yeah, I see. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, breaking below that 50 cents low that you have there, for me, that's a reason to target 44 cents and 30 cents. But I also believe there is a little chance that we could have a rebound next week, especially because of the bearishness of the market, right? We kick off the week. I mean, this week a couple of coins were popping, got a couple of people excited. People started like entering some trades, right? The whole complex went down. These people have been flushed out. Right now, everybody's like down. Oh my God, I just lost some money. Next week, the market makers should, bring this thing up a little bit, get people excited again before the next downswing. That's at least how I see it. Of course, I'm trying to look at the psychology of the market and combine the psychology of the market with kind of like my TA. And that has been playing out and working for me perfectly. But yeah, that's what I kind of like see right now. But